back. I'm so bad at this.
It's gonna make it funnier to watch, though.
Alright, engines together. This is like two weeks later. Just kidding, it's the same day because you're wearing the same shirt.
It's the same. I think I'm wearing the same shirt. It's either a black shirt or this shirt.
And the engine's together. We got the tranny on her. Looking hella clean.
Yeah, hella clean.
On video.
Ish.
Don't come in here.
We'll clean that up in post.
Don't come here in person. It doesn't look that clean.
Get me some silver spray paint. I'll have this whole thing looking brand new.
Ooh. We're just having a little powwow trying to decide whether this stud's gonna be okay or not. Should be alright.
Well, the stud we know is not okay. It's just whether it's gonna leak or not.
The stud is definitely not okay. Will it work? Will it work though? I think it'll work.
Hey, if there's no exhaust leak, we'll find out when I'm two-stepping this thing. If we see flames coming out underneath the engine bay.
It should be alright. Oh, I was zoomed in. Why was my lens zoomed in?
This is an off sensor, but since I used the Mark III block and I broke the Mark IV sensor, I took the big tail.
So we're gonna get that back in this hole. Hopefully.
Well, you should show the motor mounts.
Oh, dude, you need a primo poly job.
Hang on, that might still be wet.
Oh, don't do that. Don't do that. Oh, look at that. Look at that poly job. Dude, that is clean.
Yes, she's clean.
Just don't look at it. It's clean.
You won't be able to see it in the car. You'll be able to feel it everywhere you drive.
Yeah, he decided it'd be a good idea to poly all these. Ugh. Yeah, it's not gonna move. No big deal. All right, say what's up. We're gonna time lapse this.
We're gonna time lapse it.
We're gonna time lapse this. We're gonna time lapse this. All right. Be back with a time lapse. Time lapse time.
The goal is just, okay, let me get on this side so I can got it. Make sure we're not any paint.
Yep.
Quiet's driving me insane. Silence rattles in my brain. Yeah, I gotta get away. Always waiting for the fall, so I built my towers tall, wandering through these empty halls. Break the cycle now. Walls are coming down. Gotta save me from myself. This emptiness, it hurts like hell. My good intentions let me down. I keep getting in my way. My stubborn pride will dig my grave. Please hit me hard with every step I take. Yeah, cycle down. Walls are coming down. Look,
We're calling it a day here. They're taking pictures for the gram. Pictures for the gram?
For the
chat.
For the snap, dude.
For the snap, not the
VIP
gram.
toilet.
I don't know, I'm too old for this. Yeah, Snapchat VIP toilet, what's up?
That's so bad.
Going home.
That's so stupid.
Alright, we're at Josh's house again. I'm recording this on my phone, so it's probably gonna look like shit. Let's go. Take a peek, see. Oh. Can't forget my vape. No. Banana made the trip. Nice first official highway trip. Oh. Oh. Hey. What are you doing? XXRs. Oh, dang. She's almost ready.
Almost ready, dude. We're getting there.
She's almost ready. She's almost ready.
All that work to cover the whole engine with plastic.
Well, you can see the diesel geek.
Yeah, you can see the diesel geek, which is kind of nice.
Yeah. Parts everywhere.
Literally.
Oh, all this nice work done down here, and you can't see any of it.
No. And once the clip's on, you really won't tell. It'll look
Not
exactly
G12.
how it looked.
I need wet. Get off of there. I need wet stuff inside me, Daddy. That's great.
She needs fluids, man.
I knocked your thing down.
Oh, you missed this one.
Not G12. Yeah, I got that one.
Too far for G12.
G12.
Fuck G12.
You should use Subaru Super Blue.
Hey, every hose that I pulled up has had green stuff coming out, so I'm putting green stuff back in.
Got new shoes. New socks.
New socks.
Wait, socks?
Socks and shoes. Some meaty boys,
God,
too.
it was so nice.
Best $700 I spent.
Came 9.5s and 8.5s. I'm a little staggered. Alright, let's go on the Mark III. Okay, bye.
I will throw them on the Mark III today to see what they look like.
Just to see what they look like, I kind of want to.
It's going to be super... They're going to look crazy on that.
Man, these are nice.
The
dude,
rears
I
are going
like
to rub.
them.
The
Yeah,
fronts are going to
probably.
rub too, actually.
Well,
35 offset. I don't know what the Mark III's normally.
I think 30 offsets flush.
30
I can't tell. Let's see if I can reflect. Hey, there we go. I do see myself now. I don't know how to hold this thing. I'm used to holding a normal camera with a
just
flipped
like that.
out
with
screen.
Your hand.
With your hand.
With your hand.
Man, but it's like in the car I was trying to do it and it was like this. I could see it was like the top of my head.
Look at the top of his head. Oh, we need to pick up some nuts too. I had these lying around in my truck.
Alright. Well, that's enough for now. I'll be back when we're starting it up. Look at the XXRs.
Well, they're kind of fresh.
They hella fresh. Look at this.
We got some fucking meat for you.
Look at that meat. The poke. She's gonna look good. So we had to go with the little teaser. Put the rims on to get a peek. God, those wheels look so good. So we're gonna fill her up with some oil.
Some Earls.
Some Earls. Prime her up. Make sure we got all the oil pressure and everything. Start her up just to make sure we don't have any weird leaks on the front of the engine. And if we got no leaks, front clip goes back on. Coolant.
We'll not have our first drive because I'm missing some fluids.
Yeah, we're missing some other stuff.
Like brake fluid and power steering.
You don't need brake fluid. You don't need to stop. Just go, go, go. Anyways, so yeah. See ya when we start it. Alright, we just
Should be the first
we
start.
gave her a little prime crank. She sounds good so far. It's the moment of truth. See if she starts up. Ready? Go for it. Woo! We're spinning up front. No blip yet. Yeah. Yeah, they stop when I put my foot under them. Yeah. Yeah, I can stop it if I put my foot under it. That's good. Oh, she sounds smooth. Of course every light's on. Burning some oil off the back there. Oh, dude. She's fucking purring.
Oh, we're burning everything up.
Blah, 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 blah. This man, previous owner, went for the center exhaust and still didn't get it centered.
Alright. Should I kill it?
Well, she runs, so we'll be back. It's been a few days. Yep, broke some stuff. I took the car on the highway for the first time with its water balloon hoses, and one of them exploded.